today. We have a cool little build series we're going to be doing, and we're starting it today. It's on a 2024 Escalade V. There's not a lot of modded Escalade Vs basically out there right now. They just got the tuning unlocked. So we actually just got the PCM back from HP Tuners, so we're good there. I'm going to send the TCM off, get it unlocked as well. But we have a slew of mods we're going to be doing this thing. First, we're going to be doing an upper pulley, intake, and methanol kit. That's what we're starting with first, and then we're going to add heads and cam and a ported supercharger on the next go around. So a lot of mods coming, but we're working on this thing right now, so let's get right to it. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell notification to let you know whenever I post a new video. Got the V, brand new 2023 Escalade V in here, and we're going to do our stage 1 package here, which is going to be an upper pulley, and then we got a cold air intake coming from S&B. So we'll get that all fixed up. Once we get the intake in, we got the PCM sent out to HP Tuners and got it back, so that's going in. So we'll be able to tune this thing. We are going to run a 285 upper pulley on this, which is pretty small pulley. Should be good for pump gas though. And then yeah, I'll put that intake on. And then I'm going to do a methanol kit on this thing to make sure it's happy. It's a big vehicle. You know, there's a lot of strain on the engine. I would recommend doing a meth kit, especially if you're staying on pump gas like we are on this. We do a lot of meth kits on the PD blower stuff. Yeah. And we have good luck with them. Really good luck with them.
It's good all around.
It is. It is. The only tricky part was on a meth kit on this is there was no place to put a tank. So we are actually going to use the washer fluid tank on this one, which it's one of those deals. I mean, I don't never use my washer fluid for my windshield. It stays pretty clean. Yeah, this is, guys, this is a, you know, it's a nice vehicle. I don't really get it out to where I need to use my washer fluid. So we are going to go ahead and put a meth kit on this. It's all in the name of going fast, right, Steve?
Yeah.
But we got
really cool.
Latrice Carruthers built our engine in this. And guys, I know they say these are LT4s, you know, on the brochures and stuff. This is not an LT4, guys. This is an LT5, basically an LT5 supercharger. It's a 2650. As you can see, a lot different than an LT4 blower. It's way taller. I mean, it's an LT5 blower, basically, without port injection. The pulley's the exact same as an LT5. It comes off with the 4 bolts. We also have a 10 rib setup. It could be an 11 rib. Looks like a 10 rib, though. We got a 10 rib belt setup on this, so they definitely did their research and design on these Cadillac Escalade V engines. Pretty cool.
Yeah. Very similar to LT5 01 blower.
Yeah, very
slight differences, but same size.
Yeah, we compared them both side by side. We actually have a spare Escalade V blower that I'm getting ready to send out to get ported, but they're very, very similar. The inlet's a little different, a little bit more material in it. Obviously, the lid is the biggest difference that you guys can see. I mean, but the lid's interchange. You can put an LT5 lid straight on this, no issues.
Same bolt pattern.
And then it does not have port injection, which an LT5 supercharger does.
Just like that. And I should be able to. I'm gonna have to.
Oh, there it is, right there. Luckily, everything's nice and greased up.
Yeah.
This goes right back in.
Still brand new. And I have lowered this thing a little bit. To lower these Escalade, they're a factory air ride suspension, so you just got to change these little links in there. It takes 20 minutes to lower one of these bad boys. And it does raise and lower. Like, it's in parked mode right now, so it's really low when it's parked, which looks kind of cool. It's like an air ride almost. Well, it is air ride, but it's like aftermarket air ride, I guess.
Yeah. What do you get, like a 1.5 inch lower on every setting?
Yeah, basically.
But
And then
adjustable though.
it is. You can adjust it through the vehicle in there, which if you guys have one, you know that. And then we got the 24-inch Velgen wheels on it with the Nitto NT420V tires. That's about it. Got it ceramic coated. Nothing crazy. I think just kind of give these people some ideas. So this is the same mods that we've done on the ZR1, basically, minus headers.
Yeah, yeah.
And that car picked up 140 horse.
Yeah.
So if we can
This
pick
is
up,
about 2 sizes smaller,
yeah,
so make 12, 13 pounds of boost.
yeah, probably so. I would say if we can make another 100 horse with just the pulley and intake and tune, that's
Not bad.
that's a win.
Yeah, yeah.
That's a win.
With or without the meth?
With the meth.
With the meth.
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah.
So we got the Escalade all methed up. We love saying that here. This is the first Escalade V, I can promise you, that's got a Alky control methanol kit. Only because, well, we've been dealing with Alky on this, and he told us we were the first ones with a Escalade V methanol kit. So we got a dual nozzle kit. We got 285 upper. Our S&B intake, for some reason, they said they were done, but they're not actually done. So it's probably going to be another week or two before we get an actual cold air intake for this thing. But we're just going to put the stock air box back on it for right now. And with the pulley, tune, meth, this thing's probably going to pick up 100 horsepower. So we're getting ready to purge the meth right now and get this thing fired up and start tuning. Also put ourselves one of them green HD belts down there on that 285 pulley. Steve's got the purge going on here.
Oh, yeah. We'll get in there and hit the button and see the fog.
See what we got.
Comes on. Man, this thing really knows where this key is at.
100% it
You
does.
pick it up off the car.
It even tells you it's a Cadillac too when you open up the door. First thing this thing needs when we get done is a tune and then a bath. It is dusty from sitting in here.
Right on. Do you want to push the button or watch the spray?
I'll watch the spray.
Okay.
Always purge your meth before you put everything together. That way you know this stuff's actually working. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. She's coming. Yeah. Say we got ourselves some meth now. And then we also have some other parts for this bad boy. That's future mods. What else do we got? Oh, we got Jokers has our spare Escalade V blower right now getting ported. So we'll have a ported blower and a cam going in it next. And we're going to be doing flex fuel on this one as well. So we'll probably have to do some type of a fuel system. It's gonna be a bad boy. And then we got the ZR1 coming in tomorrow. Big build on that bad boy. We got the LT5 blower for the ZR1 back from Jokers. Look at that thing. It is a work of art. It's all black. So this is the LT5 supercharger that's going on my ZR1. And we're doing a stage 4 BTR cam kit, LME heads, ported blower, flex fuel, everything on that car. So it's going to make some power. Washer fluid's gone. How everything runs. Man, these things sound so good, Steve. For a freaking stock vehicle, it's probably one of the best sounding stock vehicles there is. Belt's nice and tight.
Is that the loud mode?
Yes, it's in the V mode. HP Tuners makes the Global B stuff easy. Just put it in and it fires right up.
No check engine lights.
Just Tune said bring it up now. He's ready. All right, we got Justin here tuning the Escalade. What do you think? Pretty easy?
Super easy. So easy I can do it.
You said it was a lot like doing like a Hellcat or a Trackhawk though.
Yeah, it's got wide bands, and the only thing that's messed up is the mass air meter, but...
Nice. So we're gonna go out here and do a pull. Justin did say these things take a lot of timing, so we're at how many degrees of timing right now?
22.
22 degrees.
Which one's the traction control?
You just turn that, you're good. Oh yeah, if you want to do the traction control, you gotta go. There you go. There's no easy button on this thing. That's a lot faster. Jeez Louise. Yeah, it's like, it runs pretty good now. Holy crap. It feels like a stock, it feels like a Trackhawk.
Yeah.
Right now, the way it is. Nice.
Fuel.
Nice.
Okay.
Sweet. All right, ready for it's ready for stage 2 now. Cam and ported blower. It's a really big difference, guys. I've put 2,300 miles in this thing, so I've gotten some good seat time in this Escalade, but that's a huge difference. I mean, way faster. I would say probably about 80 horse would be my guess. So yeah. Nice little couple bit of mods there that we did. So this round we did a meth kit and a 285 upper pulley. Next round's going to be stage 1 BTR PD cam, and then we are going to do a Joker's ported supercharger on it as well, and an intake whenever it does show up. So I think that'll get us in a pretty good spot, honestly. And then we'll get the flex fuel and stuff put on once we know that the fueling's good and all that stuff. The cam will obviously add some more fueling as well. So I think we're looking pretty good on this Escalade V stuff. Holy crap! Oh my gosh!
Okay, so limiter is 65. What did I do wrong? Let me get back.
There you go.
It's too fast, couldn't hit the fucking shift.
Yeah. Man, that's when you know she's fast. Hey Steve, we do have a Trackhawk in here right now.
Yeah. Oh, should we race him?
We definitely need to race him at some point. Stay tuned. This one just has that lower pulley on there and a tune and installing pump gas. It might actually be a decent race.
The butt dyno is telling you that it's close.
Justin tunes a lot of them. He said it feels like a pulley tune Trackhawk.
Yeah. Got a Moroso radiator cap.
Ooh, that adds 5 horsepower.
Just in case.
Oh yeah.
We need the PCM back.
This is about to be a famous Trackhawk. That'll do it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed some Escalade V content. Not too many Escalade Vs on YouTube, let alone getting modified on YouTube. So we're going to have some more mods coming your way really quick. But tomorrow we start our ZR1 project. And that thing is going to be rowdy when it's all finished up. So we got some newer stuff coming at you guys. Switching it up from doing the OBS trucks. I still need to show you all the new white ZL1, our ZL 1500 truck that we finished here, that I ended up purchasing back from the person that was having it built. So I'll show you all that truck probably on the next video as well. It actually turned out super, super nice. But that'll do it, guys. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. We'll see you later.